Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll learn how to check if a string ends with the word script using JavaScript. Let's get started. Our goal is to check if the given string ends with script. If it does, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. The string should also be at least 6 characters long. This function checks two conditions. The string length must be at least 6, and the last 6 characters must equal script. If both conditions are met, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. The function first ensures the string is long enough. Next, it extracts the last 6 characters and compares them with script. The result is returned based on this comparison. Here, the string JavaScript ends with the script, so the function returns true. In this example, the string JavaScripts does not end with script. The function correctly returns false. The ES6 version simplifies the function using the endsWith method, which checks if a string ends with a specified characters. It also includes a length check for robustness. Edge cases include strings that are too short, those that match script exactly, and similar words like scripting that do not end with script. The function handles these scenarios correctly. In conclusion, this function is a simple and effective way to check if a string ends with script. It is versatile and works well with various inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.